Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to write songs using ChatGPT. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. So picture this. You are craving a rap song that pays homage to the great Michael Jackson. With ChatGPT as your partner, the process becomes a symphony of imagination and innovation. Craft your prompt with precision, setting the stage for ChatGPT to channel its musical muse. For instance, you might inquire, compose a rap song that captures the essence of Michael Jackson's music. The result? A lyrical masterpiece emerges, seamlessly blending rhythm and rhyme to celebrate Jackson's remarkable influence. While ChatGPT's musical compositions may not rival those of renowned artists, they offer a unique fusion of AI-generated creativity that can spark inspiration and captivate your imagination. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.